Okay, guys. So now, first of all, you go to the settings and find the operating system. Press on the button. You have to press several times until unless you will show that you are now the developer. Since I am already the developer, so that's why go to the settings. Now, here, find the developer. You have to enable the developer, and according to your need, you have to ensure that everything is enabled. So I'm going to enable this one. So now wait a few seconds. I'm going to okay this one. Fine. So that is the warning they are giving to you, that please make sure that everything is fine and you are familiar with them, what you are going to do. So you have to select some other kind of options if you are going to enable them, like this one, and other kind of options, which is mainly available here. So now you have to open this one. Like I'm going to use the npx native start, and I'm going to remove the cache prompt, remove the cache. Now you have to execute the npm or npx react native android start. Fine, so it's working. So you have to use this command. So it will create the. So now as you can see, it's saying Android Gradle plugin. So it has three executions and it's creating the app installer. So it's creating the APK files. And now I'm saying, remember my files install. So it's installing the applications, and boom, you are ready to go. Okay, so now as you can see, this is my tablet. So I'm going to allow it. I'm saying okay. So wait a few seconds until unless we have to install the application. So now it's about to executing or running the applications in my tablet. So this is my home page. It's a dummy one because I'm working on this one. So this is the blog page similar to our official website. So if you click on the specific blog, you have the specific blog. Now the slider about us, the author, definitely me. And I have also the same one and the login.